Alright, I'm inside my greenhouse. There is the other side. I just got one on there. Now I will be putting another one on there down the road. But I've got it plumbed, water line run to it. The drain, as you can see, runs over to the pipe. Water lines. Both of them are draining. As you can see, all right. Now, there's my evaporated cooling wall. It says 86, but technically it is about 80 degrees in here. That is, I've checked the temperature. There is my cooling tower, my grow towers. They're going to be hanging there in the center. You've got about 3.5 foot on both sides that you can walk. So I'm still figuring out where I'm going to put the reservoir for it. So, but let me step out and show you from that side, looking in. All right, there you go. It is muddy in there from all this rain, and it just saturates.